Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. I am so excited about this because I got my January 2021 BOXYCHARM base box and I loved it. I feel like it started the new year off on such a high note with that box. I also already got my Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is actually my last January beauty subscription box basically that I'm waiting for. So if you want to see my unbaggings and my unboxing of those other Ipsy or BOXYCHARM subscriptions, go ahead and check those videos out on my channel. I was really happy with my Ipsy Plus as well. But I'm really hoping that I'll love this also. So this is the $35 a month box. And if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it's a monthly beauty subscription service where you get makeup, skincare, hair care. Sometimes I've even gotten a little bit of lifestyle products, like I got earrings in my, that was my Luxe, I think, last month, but I usually love the BOXYCHARM Premium. So let's see what I got this month. I love that BOXYCHARM is always so good about giving product information, so then I can add up the total retail value. But so, I think I see, did a little spoiler, and I see two Fenty products. So first I have from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I am so excited whenever I get something from Fenty in my BOXYCHARM box because I've never actually purchased Fenty on my own. I think pretty much just because you get it at Sephora and I usually purchase my makeup from Ulta. So I am always so happy to get Fenty in BOXYCHARM and to try out more Fenty products. Although I will say BOXYCHARM usually sends me odd shades of Fenty products, but you know, mascara, in black, so this is a good shade for me. But I love trying out mascaras, and like I was just saying, I love trying out Fenty products, so this is a great first product for me to pull out. And so the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara has a retail value of $24. And just in case you weren't aware, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the products that I pull out of the box this month, the makeup products that is. And I've already tried out, I think, all of my other January Ipsy and BOXYCHARM products in full dedicated review videos. So if there's any products that I pull out that you're extra interested in me doing review videos on first, just let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm going to pull out the other Fenty product. Yes, this is a product that has been so high on my list to purchase for so long. It's the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and they sent it to me in the shade Butter, which is the shade that I think I would want. I was a little nervous that they were going to send me a shade that wasn't really suitable for me, but this is kind of like a cream shade, and I have just heard so many good things about this. It's even bigger in person than what I thought, and it's just supposed to be an amazing setting powder. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder retails for $32. It's supposed to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections, and to set and brighten your face. And I'm so excited that this butter shade should hopefully be the right shade to brighten my under eyes, because I've seen this be so good at that on other people's YouTube channels. All right, next I have from Lashes MD, Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner. This actually seems familiar, like I've gotten this before. I've actually tried out a Lashes MD and it actually wasn't working for me. I use Babe Lash. That's like my proven amazing lash growth serum. And then I got a Lashes MD in probably BOXYCHARM not too long ago, and I started using it and I just felt like I lost all the length in my lashes, so I stopped using it, switched back to Babe Lash, and I feel like my lashes, like, they're okay, they're not like amazing right now, so I'm working to like grow my lashes back, but I just don't think Lashes MD really works for me. So the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum has a retail value of $69.95. And it's supposed to help your lashes grow. But I felt like I used this for a while, probably a couple months, and it didn't work for me. But let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this out and if you saw good results. Next we have from Summer Fridays. I have heard so many good things about Summer Fridays, but I haven't actually tried this yet. And this is the Jet Lag Mask, and it's supposed to be hydrating, which my dry skin really needs these days. And this is the product that I feel like I've heard the most hype around for Summer Fridays, and I was so excited about it. But I actually got an email from BOXYCHARM before I even knew that I was getting this mask, kind of giving like a warning about their jet lag masks that were in the box for January, and I was like, ooh, that's not good. I hope I don't get it. But I got it. So apparently it's been giving some people like rashes and allergic reactions, and so they're recommending you do a little test, maybe like on your wrist or something, before applying it to your entire face. So I'm really hoping, like, fingers crossed, this doesn't give me an allergic reaction, because I have been really wanting to try this. This is another product that I feel like is so hyped up. Two really hyped products that I'm so excited about: the Fenty Pro Filter and the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I absolutely love when I get products that I've been wanting to purchase on my own for so long in my BOXYCHARM box, because then it saves me money and I'm getting them for the best deal. So like this Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask has a retail value of $48. So that alone, if I were to have purchased this, is more expensive than my $35 BOXYCHARM Premium box. So I'm getting some really awesome brands in here so far. Oh, and then here we have Silver Pure from PMD Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. Interesting. I love these types of like makeup eraser type products. Yeah, I feel like that's what this is. So cute. I love the pink. I have not used a makeup wipe in so long because I've just completely transitioned to the reusable cotton rounds. The Face Silk, the little circle makeup removers, are what I use pretty much every day. And they're just like this. You just add water. So I love those. So hopefully this will be just as good as those. And in my experience, they're seriously like magic. You just put water on them and it takes off any makeup, and then you just put it through the wash. So I'm excited to have another one of these because I use them so often that after you've washed them like for a year or two, they just aren't as soft and don't work as well anymore. I still think they work, but I think it's good for me to get some replacements. And this PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth has a retail value of $30. Then my last product in here, ooh, is from OFRA. I'm hoping this is what I think it is. Yes! This is an OFRA palette, and I see eyeshadows, bronzer, blush, and a beautiful highlighter. I'm so excited. I think last month I was saying that I love OFRA products and I love OFRA highlighters, and that I really wanted to buy an OFRA palette. And I heard a spoiler that we were getting these in BOXYCHARM this month, and I am so excited. This is another type of product that I wanted to purchase on my own. Like, I am obsessed with the OFRA formula, so I can't wait to try this out. You've got everything you need. Like, this seems like a perfect travel palette. Well, if I had a mirror, it would be the perfect travel palette. But I'm so excited to try this out. I also love that there's like pops of colors with the eyeshadows, still some neutrals. Like, oh my gosh, this is such a great product to end on. And so this is the OFRA Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette, a retail value of $39. Okay, BOXYCHARM did such a good job with the boxes they sent me for this month. I'm so happy. Like literally everything in this box is something that I want or would have purchased on my own. The only thing is the Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum, because if it's what I'm thinking, I didn't really like it, but maybe I got it in, maybe I actually got it in FabFitFun, because BOXYCHARM is really good at not sending duplicate products to me. But so let me do a quick recap of everything I got, and then I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the OFRA Mini Mix Palette, the PMD Makeup Remover Cloth, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, the Fenty Beauty Mascara, and the Lashes MD Eyelash Conditioner, bringing me to a total retail value of $242.95 that I paid $35 for. And this is exactly the case where I would have spent like hundreds of dollars to get these products probably eventually in my life, and then instead I just got them here for $35. Like, this is amazing. This is like exactly what I hope for with these beauty subscription boxes. So let me know in the comments down below what you got in your BOXYCHARM Premium box. And I always like to know if you've tried any of these products that I showed today and what your thoughts are on them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.